Hi catchers, welcome back to my channel. So I am in my bathroom today. That's why you just see a plain white background. I do have a white shower curtain behind me. But the reason why I'm in my bathroom is because I'm going to show you guys my wash and go routine. I just literally left the pool with my family and I knew I needed to wash my hair, so I said why not show you guys what I do and what I use. So that is what's going to happen in this video. I hope you guys are excited to see a hair tutorial from me. This is my first one on my channel. This is what I do to my hair pretty much every week to every 2 weeks, depending on how long my wash and go lasts. I will either bun it, put it in a ponytail, or sometimes I'll refresh it, but most of the time I put it in a ponytail and a bun until I'm ready to wash it again, which is usually within, I would say, 7 to 10 days, I would say, is how long I go to wash my hair. So if you're excited to see my first hair tutorial on my channel, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe down below and the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And let's get into the tutorial. I went ahead and shampooed and conditioned my hair in the shower off camera, and now I'm going to get into how I detangle my hair. All of the products that I use will be in the description box below. So I have already detangled these 3 sections of my hair. This is my last one to detangle. And what I do with the conditioner still on, I will start at the bottom of my hair and work my way up until I get to the roots and it's finally detangled. Make sure when you use your deep conditioner that you look at the amount of time on the back of the package so you can see how long you should leave it in. Don't leave your conditioners in overnight or for hours and hours. Usually 30 minutes is the max. Once my hair is fully detangled, I rinse out the deep conditioner and I start styling. So I put it in 4 sections. This is my hair all detangled. I still make sure it's pretty damp. I don't even dry my hair when I get out of the shower, which is why you see it all over my shirt. I just put my hair with one of these clips when I get out of the shower so that it's just not all dripping down. But I like to keep my hair pretty wet while I'm doing this. First things first, leave-in. So I do this in sections of 4 so that I can distribute the product pretty evenly. Make sure you get the ends because that is the oldest part of your hair. Sometimes I will wet my hands during this just to make sure that my hair is still wet. I'm getting product and see how it already starts to curl up. And I will take my comb that I detangled with and just comb through this. And then to keep from my hair retangling, I will take the section. I'll take the section and twist it. This just helps to keep all of my hard work intact. Wrap it around and pin it up. And we start with the next section. We're going to do the exact same thing on the rest of these 4 sections, so I will speed through this part. So now all my conditioner is in all 4 sections. And now, again, working in those same 4 sections, I untwist each section and I work in a smaller section. And this is where I apply my gels. And I like to mix these 2. That's what gives me my best results. So if you can see it, I use about a dime size for each section. Sometimes I am heavy-handed with gel, but that's just because I want it to last. And again, I just pretty much rake it through my hair. What's the game changer for me is the Denman brush. that is what really clumps my curls, and it also helps make sure that my hair is not tangled. As you can see, my hair is clumping. We'll flip it to the back, and I keep going with that section. Just rake it down the hair. And when you comb your Denman brush vertically, that helps to detangle. Horizontally is smoothing. And during this part of your washing, you really want to make sure you're getting each strand coated, which is why I work in even smaller sections, because this is how you set your hair where your wash and go. And the way you set it is the way that it will curl. So at the end, sometimes if I feel like it didn't clump together well enough, I will take my Denman brush and go through the entire section, which I'm completed. Then I scrunch. And there they go. And that's my curls. And I flip that whole section to the back, and then I repeat the same thing all over my head. So I won't bore you guys with that, but it's the exact same thing, and I will come back and show you what it looks like when it is all done but still wet. So this is my hair all done. I have all my curl gel in every section. You can see it all. And I just let my hair air dry pretty much all day, and I will show you guys what it looks like when it is all done. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys loved my first hair tutorial on my channel. If you want to see more hair tutorials, please like this video, comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.